guys, hello everyone. Welcome to from Tribly to Tech channel. My name is Venuteja and this channel is specially for created for the students who are from Tribly ECE, mechanical or even non-IT background and want to confidently enter into the tech world. If you are someone who thinks I do not have coding background or is programming really for me, then trust me, you are in the right place. In this channel, I will teach you programming step by step, starting from the absolute basics using simple language, real life examples, and clear explanation, just like a good classroom lecture. In this video, we are continuing our Python class basics to advanced course and we will understand sequence of introductions, variables, expressions and BODMS concepts that form the foundation of the programming. So take your note, open your mind and let's begin this journey from Tribly to Tech. And before we start, if you are find this content useful, do like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. As check the play Python playlist in the description to learn step by step without confusion. Okay, let us recap the yesterday's class. In yesterday's class, we had discussed the variables. Variable nothing but it is an example where a container is a glass where value is water in the glass. Variables are like containers for storing values. Whereas value is data. Data is in format of any type like image or Excel or music, etc. Let us recap. What are discussed the data types? Some commonly used data types are string, integer, float and boolean, etc. And variables and data types. Yesterday in class we had discussed that string, integer, float, boolean and their definition. String is nothing but a stream of characters. Here is the example of this example of book 423 etc. And integers. The integers from starting with 0 plus plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 or any integers. Float is nothing but a number with a decimal point. It contains 2.43 or any like this. Boolean is nothing but true or false option. Boolean contains only two, either yes or no, either true or false, etc. And we have discussed that assigning the variable to value to the variable. Here is age is a variable name. Here the equals to is an assignment operator and 10 is the value for the age. Here the 10 is stored in the age. In this section, today's agenda is sequence of introduction. Now let us understand an important concept in programming called sequence of instruction. In simple words, in simple words, we discuss in this section variables, printing the assignment and expression order of the evolution. In simple words, a computer does not think on its own. Okay, it's only follows instructions exactly in the order we given them. Okay, just like a recipe. Okay, means here is the sequence of introduction. A program is a sequence of instruction to the computer. It follows only just like a recipe, like means First step, second step, third step, and programming also works in the sequence. If we change the order, the result will also change. This concept is the foundation of all the programming language, including the Python. So, what is a program? A program is a sequence of instructions given to the computer, okay, to perform a task. These instructions must be clear and correct in proper order. Okay. Even a small mistake in order can lead to an error. This is why understanding a sequence is very important when learning Python. Here, defining a variable. Now, let us move to one of the most important concept, variables. A variable is a created when we assign a value to it for the first time. Think of a variable as a container here that stores the some value. Think of variable as a container that stores same value. In Python, we do not need to declare a variable separately. The most moment we assign a value and Python automatically creates it. Okay. Here we can observe that age is a variable and the 10 is the value to the age. Here a variable gets created when we assign a value to the for the first time. Here age is assigned to the here 10 is assigned to the age. If you print age, the output will be 10. Okay. In similar way, what are the common mistakes we will done in this code is many things. Here, if we print the age is equals to 10, then if print age, then the output value is 10. If you print with double colons age, then the output value will be age because it is a string format. Whereas 10 value is declared to the variable. Here in the print statement we did not use the variable, we used an string. This is an example of age is equals to 10. Let us see this example. Here we are writing age is equals to 10. This means a variable named age is created. The value 10 is stored inside it. That's it. One line is enough in Python. Simple and powerful. Okay. Now we want to see the value stored in the variable. For that we use the print function. Okay. When we write print of age, Python goes to the variable age, fetches it value and prints it on the screen as shown in the figure. Let us see this. If we write age is equals to 10 and if you fetch this print of age, let us see this output. If we run this, see that the age, the 10 is printed in the output. What are the errors we made in this? Let us see this. If we write age is equals to 10, then print of, can you guess the output? What will be the output? Yes, you are absolutely correct. See this. If we run the here, why this age is printed in the output? Because in the print statement we has used double quotes to print the statement. So the age is printed in the output. Okay. Why the output is here 10? Because the way The variable age contains the value 10. So the Python prints the value, not the variable name. If you print the quotations in this case, the Python will not look for the variable. It just simply print whatever inside the quotations. Okay. Next, next order of instruction. What is the order of instructions? Now let us come back to the order of instruction. Python executes code line by line from top to bottom. It does not skip lines. Okay. It does not guess future code. Whatever comes first, Python executes first. Here we can see the name error. Why? Because name error. We had the age in the Python print function. The age is not declared. So the name error is in the output. Let us see this in the code playground. If we write this in the before only, see this, observe this, print of 10 or age. If we run this, what will be the output? See, the output is here the name error is notice. Name error is name age is not defined. This is the error. So while writing this program, while you are practicing this program, please write carefully. Okay. Spacing in the Python. Giving spaces also, the Python prints errors. Here see this, print of age. If we give the space before the print statement, then also it shows the just only line. Why? Because unexpected indent. Indentation error is nothing but the space before the print statement. If you give one bar space also, it shows an error. See this. Okay. So we should not give the space before the print statement. See this error. See the output 10. Okay. In similar way, this is an indentation. One bar space is called an indentation. Having space at the beginning of the line causes an error. Okay. Spacing in Python. Error display in the code playground. Whereas if we write an space before the print function, it shows an unexpected indent. Similarly, here we had discussed that what is variables. Variable is nothing but a container. The value can be changed in the container. This is the value. Here same glass. Here also same glass. Means the value is water and here juice, where the value can change it into the juice, water to the juice. Means here the variable name is glass. Here also the variable name is glass. The value is water and here's the value is juice. We can change the values for the similar variable. Okay. Here variable assigning. Now let us understand variable assignment. In Python, values stored in variables can be changed. Variables are not fixed. They are flexible only. Okay. See this. Here's the output. A variable A is declared with the value of 1 and here same variable A is declared with the value of 2. Here First statement is 1. Next statement is 2. For the same variable, here again declare the value 2. Okay. In the same code, the output will be 2 2. Why? Because if we the variable if we assign the value to the variable 1 a and 2 to the variable a, it checks the what is the next line before it. Okay, first we say assign a is equals to 1 and print it, then we change it to a is equals to 2 and print again. Python updates the value easily. Output shows 1 and 2. In this we can observe that here both are 2. Why? Because the value is equals to, we declared to the a value is equals to b, whereas value is equals to 2 to the b variable and one value to the variable a. If we declare a is equals to b, means a will be also 2 and b also 2. Okay, if we add 1 plus, then 2 plus 1. See, 2 plus 1 is 3 and the output is 2 plus 3. If we let us write this code in. See this, a is equals to 1, b is equals to 2, a is equals to b plus 1, then print of a and print of b. Let us print of a. Let us run this code. The value will be 3 3. Why? Because here we printed the same variable a here. You can observe in this. If we print b, the value will be 2. If we print a, the variable declared to the value is 1 and here we updated it to the b plus 1. Okay. Next, see this. We can observe 2 comma 3. If we print a, it initially we declared value 2 to the variable a, then again we printed a. The Python codes will be run in the step-by-step format. So it is printed as first line is we declared a variable to the 2 to the variable a. Again we printed the statement. Again we added one place, means again we printed step 3, printed a, then the output will become 2 comma 3. So again the expressions in the Python, we can see that various expressions is in the Python. Expression is a valid combination of values, variables and operators. Means here we can see this operation. In this operation a is a into 2, a into b. Means if we declared a variable b, the value as 2, means here 2. In the similar way, let us see one example. If a is equals to 2 plus 5, 2 plus 3, b is equals to 3 into 2 and c is equals to a plus b. Let us print this. A is equals to 2 plus 4, b is equal to 2 plus 5, c is equals to A plus B. Okay, B, then B, print of C, print of C. Okay, then run the code. We can observe this. The output will be, let's clear this. Again run the statement. We observe that initially the A value will be 6 and B value will be 7, and A plus B value we are added both, then the output value 13 will be variable C. So that in the Python program we see that A is equals to 2 plus 3, B is equals to 2 into 3 into 2 means here 6 plus 5. Here 6 plus 5 means 11. Here the value 11 is declared to the variable C. Then the output will be this. Okay. Similar way, order of operations. In similar way, this is the order of operation. Now let us understand expressions. These are the expressions. The order of operations. What are the different possible ways to evaluate these expressions? Let us see the evaluation of the operations. Approach 1. If you multiply first this bow, then the output will be 10. Again, if you multiply this bow, then the output will be 10. Again, this both are added, the output will be 22. This is the approach 1. Approach 2 is, if we add this both, then the output will be 5. Here also 5. If we then after, if you multiply 5 into 5, 25, and if you multiply 25 into 4, then the value output value is 100. This is the second approach. Then third approach, if you multiply both these, means see this. This is the third approach. Okay. Then what is the order of operations? Is there any standard order for the evaluating this? Yes. This is the ordering mathematical operations. BODMAS means bracket, orders, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Each character has any value. Python follows a standard rules called as BODMAS to evaluate expressions. Ordering mathematical operations. Okay. This decides which operations is preferred first. Okay. The order of BODMAS is, the major weightage is brackets, then order, then division, then multiplication and addition and subtraction. Okay. Here by looking this, now we'll apply this for this. What is the weightage? We observe multiplication. Okay, here is the multiplication. We observe addition. Here is the addition. By this, do this. 5 into 2, 10, and 3 4s are 12. Then after addition, 10 plus 12 is equals to 22. Python evaluation includes brackets. Then it adds the result and gives the final output as 22. Okay. This is the example of BODMAS. The best practice. use braces for the readability. This is the way. Initially we have checked this. Modern mass means brackets are the highest priority. Initially we should take the brackets for the multiplication, and then after this use the braces for the better readability. Let us check this order of operations in the bottom. Guess the initially by the modern mass, this is the approach to the solution. Print of 10 by 2 plus 3 means here we should take 10 by 2 as 5 and plus 3 then. Okay, this is the approach of this solution. This is the order of operations. Okay, similarly for this, can you give the process? We can say this. Initially the brackets has the highest priority, so we should add 2 plus 5 initially. Then after we should divide by 10. Let us see the process. Here is the process. Okay, here is the output. Key takeaways. In this section we have learned what are the variables, printing and assigning, and what are the common mistakes we done in this while writing the program. Especially we seen that spacing in the Python, and also we have learned the expressions on bottom mass. Bottom mass means B for brackets, O for, see this, brackets, O for vision, D for, see this, O for orders, D for divisions, M for multiplications, A for additions, and S for subtractions. These are the key takeaways in our section. Okay. Thank you for watching. In the next section, practice is the main important. Whereas we should practice everything, every problem to accept our mistakes. Just practice, practice, practice. Then in next section we will discuss about input and output basis. Thank you for watching. These concepts, variable, sequence, expressions and monomers are the core foundations of the Python. Do not rush, practice slowly. Okay. In the next video, we will move deeper into the Python basics with more examples. If this helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the From Tribly to Tech channel, and check the playlist in the description. Okay, follow for my later updates. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.